Hey you guys, it's me coming to you with a Citrus Twist January kit layout, and I wanted to give you a little heads up if you don't know. The Paper Studios brand, I'm pretty sure it's Paper Studios, I don't remember now, hold on, it's on this one. Yeah, so Studio 52 is by Paper Studios Hobby Lobby, right? That's their off brand. And they have this in their planer stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me try that and see if it will cut the holes correctly for the Colorcast Travelers notebooks. I didn't have high expectations, but if you pull this little white bar out all the way, yes it does. Lines up perfectly. Now I probably need to trim that down a little bit, but still. Anyway, heads up, get you one. And if you wait until the paper, this was $14.99. If you wait till the Paper Studios blowout they do every 3 weeks or so, you can get it for $7-8. Now, on to the video. This was quite a few years ago. I don't even have this vehicle anymore, but that's my son in the back, and that's my niece, and that's me. So I've not planned a thing, so this might go horribly wrong. Let's see here. I keep all my kit stuff in one little caboodle here till I'm got the next one on the way, basically, and then I start switching things around. But I don't even know if this is going to fit on my paper. Okay, so we definitely have to go right there. I'm thinking we do strips. No, I don't like that one. I mean, I do like it, but not with this layout. I think what I'm gonna do is scallop this with my whiskers. Dun 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 dun. I love this scalloped Fiskars one. It's about the only punch I use in my arsenal pretty regularly. Yeah, that would have been cute on the other side too, I think. Let's see here. I don't think, well, yeah, maybe a little bit of space to layer. I wonder if I have a baby doily running around here. I do. How about that? Let's chop it in half. Oopsie. There we go. I like it. All right, let's see. Yes to this. I like it. Do I have? I'm really always scared to stamp on my layout. I don't know why, but I am. Let's see here. But you know what? Let's do it. Why not? What's the worst that can happen? I have to cover it up? Yeah, that's about it. Cool. Cool beans. Okay. Dee-dum-dum. I think I'm gonna leave all the I have barely even touched my pack of cutouts. Ah, well. Here we go is fitting. I'm not sure what we were doing, but we were going. That's cute. Excuse me. I like it. Okay, so I used a whole bunch of words over there. Probably shouldn't use any of these words because I'm a word fanatic. Yes, I am. I like the words. And these all have words on them. I don't think I want to add any of those. Okay, so let's keep this simple and just add a neutral. Sorry. This is going to be a very simple layout. I think what I will do is add these here gold hearts everywhere. I wish I was joking. Do 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 do. Okay, I think I'm good. Do I need to do some not enamel dots, but what are those things? Nouveaux? Nouvie oovie. Black or white? Probably black. Nice. I think I'm done. All right, under 10 minutes. You go, girl. All right, I think I'll just bring it to you. Oops, sorry. Super cute. I'm so happy how this came out. Like, I don't know. I just really like the simplicity of it. I hope you guys think it's simple too. And I think I'll start stamping more on my layouts. We'll just put that in a, what do they call it? Pigeonhole it. Alright guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys Wednesday. Wedding Album Wednesday. I actually have them already recorded. We're good to go. You will see me Wednesday. Bye!